This is excellent. Kishu token features a 2% reward when users are actively transact. That means it's more reward is coming to you, a Kishu Inu hodler, and I'm starting to track it. So I'll show you my spreadsheet right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. This is excellent Kishu paw print. So you're basically earning just while you're hodling. And you see the trend here, some of these projects, they're rewarding you because they want to be able to be involved, and it's passive income for you and me. So when I go to the Kishu tracking page, it gave me motivation, inspiration to show you exactly how cool it could be to track your actually tokens. I started out really doing this on tracking Saitama, and now I'm tracking the Kishu token. Now I've been a Kishu hodler since June of 2021, and I got involved in this because I saw a lot of potential. My plan is to hold it for a year, and then we'll make a decision what to do next. So I'm going to hold it until next June. Let's see what happens then in terms of all the process. So I do like this project, but you're going to have to wait on it for a while to see the type of gains you're looking for. In my opinion, that's just my opinion, not necessarily giving you financial advice. Now, August 4th, we had this amount of Kishu tokens. The price was this, and the value was that. So I was like, okay, we got some profit already in a short amount of time. Then later on, the price went down, but I start seeing these tokenomics. Look at that, 908 billion. Now, I'll be honest with you, I added in more to my position to this actually. So it probably a little bit less than this, to be honest with you. So I would say we added more to our position to help out with these tokenomics. So I added a small position in here. So that helped the tokens earn, but I just kind of left it in there. But anyway, but then another week passed, I earned 7 billion tokens. The price continues to drop though, but the tokens are continue increasing in my wallet. Each week, the tokens are increasing. Profits down on September 9th because the value of Kishu was down. So my total revenue was down as well, but the tokenomics is continue to go up. No matter if the price is up or down, those tokenomics are being added in. And I'll show you how really cool this is at the end of this video. So look at this, September 17th, the tokens are at this amount here. Tokens are still going up. And then the price went up a little bit, got a little bit of a boost from the last actually, tracking day. And then the total value went back up. But those tokenomics, those amounts are still going up. And then September 27th, it went down. The profit's down. The value's down. The price is down. But the tokenomics is 8 billion. That's amazing in 10 days. And then right here, we're October 2nd. Today is October 2nd on a beautiful Saturday. And we have this amount of tokens totally, even though it's down in value, which making the profit, if I take this out, will be done. The tokens earned by that time, we've got 2.8 billion in just in a few days. So that's impressive to me, which makes it look like amount of tokenomics earned since August 4th. Remember, I added more to my position, so that kind of helped out the tokenomics. In my opinion, I just left it in there. So it makes it $456 totally, and almost 1 trillion tokens earned, including my investment as well. So I think it's a good thing of tokenomics, finding projects that you can earn passive income. Just don't get in project just for the passive income. Get into the project you're really interested in exactly what problem they're trying to solve or what solutions they're trying to give out. So I like Kishu because I like the utility of it, because I can use my Kishu to travel with. I can use traveler.com and use my Kishu tokens to pay for my flights or hotels. That was one of the reasons why I like Kishu, because they're marketing and you can actually use the token outside just basically by swapping and trading. That was one of the main reasons why I got excited about Kishu. One, and there's a couple other reasons as well. So have fun tracking your Kishu, track your tokens. It's really a lot of fun in my opinion. And how I did this real quick, all I did was the total amount of my Kishu from my wallet, I put it here. The price of the actually Kishu token, I just went to the website. kept it simple. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, any of those type of websites, I just took here, copied it, and I placed it there. Then this times this got me the total value. All right. So the total profit, I took the total revenue, this number minus this number. Kept it simple. I got that number. So, and my tokens earned by this time, all I did was take this number here, which is today, tokens, total tokens, and subtract it by my September 27th tokens. To subtract this to this, got that. That's basic it. Anybody can do this. You know, any astronaut. I'm just joking. Anybody can do this. Yes. All right. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Little Timmy can do this as well because he needs to show something in show and tell. Absolutely. And you need to go ahead and do this as well. It'll be good for you and your portfolio, for you know exactly where things are going. So click on the link below to get started. I'm telling you, don't forget to get your eToro account, Coinbase account, to be ready for the next movement. And I'll see you on the next video.